Hello everyone, this is Celine from Miccell. Today we'll introduce you our TFT charger with big power 140 watts. This is our new products with TFT screen and also in foldable pin. This is US plug and this is for the UK plug. And this is for the EU. And this charger, it is in 140 watt with 4 ports, 3 Type-C port and 1 it is USB. Now let me show you when in charging with screen. You can see now when charging, we can show the actual output and we can change the mode in cool mode to protect our cell phone. And also the screen, we can change the angle. Like few seconds, you can see the angles different. So it is like 360 degrees for the mode change for the TFT screen. If you are interested in our foldable pin TFT screen charger, please feel free to contact us. Choose Miccell, enjoy innovation. Let's grow our business together. Thank you.